Hi and welcome back. Let's share the knowledge. Today we are going to see how to correct the focused of unfocused picture which is taken, or sometime you're going to take a picture or you took a picture which is become unfocused, or by camera or by mobile. It's very simple. We already have a sample of a picture which is almost, the edges are not clear, so simply just make another layer of the same thing, and on we are going to work upon layer 1. Just go to the filters, others, and high pass. Keep the radius 5. For the radius we are going to talk about later. Just click OK and select layer 1 and come to linear light. So you can see now the difference. If I just, and you can see it. So it's very simple steps. You can enjoy a lot of your damages pictures, and you can correct the focus bond out of Photoshop. That's it. Thank you.